This summer, we're celebrating America's 250th birthday, and Edge Products wants to help you diesel owners have a little freedom of your own. We're going to run our free EGT Probe promo from July 1st through August 31st. When you purchase a qualifying CTS3 device, whether it's our Evolution CTS3 diesel tuner, the popular Insight CTS3 monitor, or our all-new Insight Plus with custom tuning capability, if you purchase from Edge Products directly or through an authorized Edge Product dealer, once you get that device in your hands, you can visit our website and fill out our redemption form. We need the serial number found on the back of the CTS3 device. We need a proof of purchase and a few other details on that form. Once you submit it, we will review it, and then we will ship that EGT probe directly to your house at no cost to you. It's a $200 value at no cost. So whether you're towing across the heartlands, taking the boat to the lake, or just using your truck for work every day, the Edge CTS3 and the free EGT Probe promo is an excellent way to protect your diesel investment. America, freedom, diesel trucks, free upgrades from Edge. That's worth celebrating.